What causes restless leg syndrome? Do you feel unpleasant sensations and an uncontrollable urge to move your legs at night? People who experience unpleasant sensations like crawling, tugging, and restlessness in their legs often find it difficult to sleep. This may lead to drowsiness and general weakness during the day. An estimated 10% of adults and 5% of children in the United States suffer from restless leg syndrome, and most of them don't know the cause or treatment. By the end of this video, you will find out what causes restless leg syndrome and other helpful tips. What is restless leg syndrome? Restless leg syndrome is a condition where you suddenly jerk your legs without control, followed by a crawling and tingling feeling. This usually happens at night when you're trying to sleep. When you have restless leg syndrome, it's hard to concentrate at work the next day because you're tired from not getting enough sleep. What causes restless leg syndrome? Certain nerve cells in your brain interact with your arm and leg muscles to control movement. For these nerve cells to communicate with the muscles effectively, they use a chemical called dopamine. And decreasing your body's dopamine level is one of the causes of restless leg syndrome. Restless leg syndrome can also be caused by medical illnesses. When your blood lacks iron or you suffer from things like kidney disease, diabetes, Parkinson's disease, arthritis, or thyroid disease, one of the side effects might be restless leg syndrome. Addiction to medications, caffeine, alcohol, and cigarettes can also trigger the symptoms of restless leg syndrome. Additionally, for pregnant women, there is a hormone called estrogen that increases starting at the 27th week of pregnancy. This increase may cause restless leg syndrome. It can also be passed from parent to child, often showing up in the child when he or she becomes an adult. How to treat restless leg syndrome? After a thorough medical examination, the doctor may advise you to take dopamine boosters like pranopexole or iron supplements, depending on what your body lacks. If the symptoms are severe because you suffer from other ailments, the doctor may prescribe strong medications, depending on the ailment. But if the symptoms are mild, then these home remedies might help. When you feel crawling sensations, pain, or the urge to jerk your leg, massage your leg with a hot pad or take a warm bath. An extremely simple and easy solution for therapeutic massages on demand are the One Compress air compression leg wrap. Include fruits and food that boost dopamine levels in your diet, such as strawberries, milk, eggs, turkey, soybean, and nuts. Avoid lying down when reading, watching television, or using the computer or phone because these activities can trigger the symptoms at night. It's also a good idea to limit activities that strain your muscles before bedtime. They could increase your chances of uncontrollable jerks at night. Lastly, try alternative relaxation methods like walking, gentle stretching, and riding a bike. Yoga is also another great option for relaxation. Ultimately, it's good to speak to an expert and see what is best for you. We hope this video helped clear some of your questions up. If you enjoyed it, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel. We are constantly putting out fun videos on everything related to wellness. Please remember, this video is meant for educational purposes and is not medical advice.